So guys, Shreyans here, but more LeetCode game video has been came on the channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 617 by the name of merge two binary trees. So you are thinking, in the previous video I solved 611 questions, but why I directly come to the 617? Why I do not solve 612, 13, 14, 15 and 16? These 5 to 5 questions are locked, so that's why I'm not solving it. First of all, I want to purchase the LeetCode camp, then I will be solve it. So I think I will be do not purchase, so that's why I'm directly shifted to 617 question. 616, these 5 questions are locked. Okay, so that's why. So but anyways, let's try to solve this question. We are solving this question in Python 3, and this is an easy one question which we are solving, and total 1.1 million people have submitted it, and only 8,49,000 has been accepted, and total acceptance rate is 78.7%. And there are 4 topics has been included. First topic name is tree, second topic name is depth first search, third topic name is breadth first search, and fourth topic name is binary tree. So we are solving these 4 to 4 questions in today's video. These 4 topics are included in this question. So let's start to solve this question. And in this question there is only one example which we want to see. Okay, so now let's move to computer screen and let's start to solve today's question because it is very enjoyable. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's start our today's video. So in today's video, like I have told you, in today's video we are solving a question 617 by the name of merge two binary trees, like I have told you in my introduction. So let's start, and like I have told you, we are solving this question in Python 3 by the way. So now let's start to solve this question, and let's start now. Now it has been given me a two binary trees, root 1 and root 2, and what we want to do with this root 1 and root 2, imagine that when you put one of them to cover the other, some nodes of the two trees are overlapped while the others are not. You need to merge the two trees into a new binary tree, and the merge rule is that if two nodes overlap, then sum node values up as the new value of the merged node. Otherwise, the not null node will be used as the node of the new tree, and we wanted to run the merge tree. Okay, note that the merging process must start from the root nodes of both trees. It has been given me an example 1 button diagram, and it has been not given me in the example 2, it has not given me any diagram. If you see the example 1 diagram, here he created one binary tree, 3 binary tree, there it is. Okay, so let me make a one shape on it. Okay, so here it is created one binary tree, let me make a one square on it. Okay, so it will be identified for you. It is a first. Okay, it is a first. Now let me give it the right, and now perfect. Now in which he wrote it down 1 3 2 5. Okay, and then here he wrote it is one second binary tree in which here he wrote it down 2 1 3 4 7. Third binary tree in which he wrote it down 3 4 5 4 7. Okay, here you can see it. So if you see the root 1 integer array in which he wrote it down 1 3 2 5, and he created one root 2 in integer array in which he wrote it down 2 1 3 null 4 7 null 7. Okay, and the output I am coming 3 4 5 5 4 null and 7. Okay, and if you see the example 2, here you have one root 1 integer array in which he wrote it down only 1, and there is one second root 2 integer array in which he wrote it down 1 comma 2, and the output I am coming 2 comma 2, and there are the two constants which it has been given me. Okay, so now anyways, let's try to solve this question. So now first of all, let me come on it here, and this is an easy one question which we are solving, and total 1.1 million people have submitted it, and only 8,49,000 people have submitted it, and total acceptance is 78.7%. 5 topics are included: tree, depth first search, breadth first search, and binary tree. So let's start to solve this question anyways. So now we are solving this question in Python 3. So first of all, we define one comment in which we define a definition for a binary tree node, and then we define a class tree node, and then here we define, give the space, def in it. It is also already written in your editor, but I am writing one more time for you. Okay, it is already written down when you open this question. Okay, self comma val equals to 0, comma left equals to none, but I'm writing, okay, so none, and then right equals to also be none. And then here I define a semicolon in which I define here self.val equals to val, self.left equals to left, self.right equals to right. And now when we do this all the things, so here I define a class of a solution def merge trees, self comma root 1 semicolon optional tree node, comma then root 2 optional tree node one more time. And then when we do this all the things, so now we only want to do that, so here we write optional one more time in which we define tree node. Perfect. Then define semicolon. Define if statement not root 1, then return root 2. If not root 2, then return root 1. Node equals to 3 node, and then define here root 1 dot val plus root 2 dot val. Node dot left equals to self dot merge trees root 1 dot left comma root 2 dot left. Enter. Now here define node dot right. Oh no, okay, self dot merge trees root 1 dot right comma, and then when we do this all the things, so define root 2 dot right, and then return node. Perfect. We have written about all the code, so now last thing is to run this code. So now when I run this code, so now the running code has been, okay, let me run it one more time, okay, unknown network error has been given me. So let's see my net has been gone or not. No, let's run it now. Network error. So I think in the website there is come any error, so let's run this website. Okay, we want to log in it. Okay, my email has been not logged out. So now let's see the running code. Run. Okay, we want to run. Let me sign up in it. Okay, so let me click on the Google. Let me open my account. So now it will directly come onto my this question, and now the run this code. And when I run this code, so now the running code has been these all the code. Okay, they have been giving me error in this line. So let's see what type of error they have been giving me. Okay, by mistake I define minus, but I want to define this. Now let's see the running code. So okay, it is giving me an error. So what is an error? So define root 2 here, root 1 merge tree, left right, and then here I define self dot merge, okay, trees. Here I define not trees. So now let's run it. So now let's see the running code. So now it has been accepted. In this line here, in one line here I define s, but in the second line I do not define s. So then when I put s, then it will have been accepted. And though both cases are accepted, the expected output is this, and my also output coming same. In the case two, the expected output is this, and my also output has been coming same. Now last thing is to submit this code. So when I submit this code, now the submission code has been also be accepted, and I beat 100% people. So let me paste this solution beats 100.100%. Seriously, not joking. Now let's post this. So here in today's video we solve over this question, section 17 by the name of merge two binary trees. So if you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. So now let's meet in the next video, amazing video like that. And daily I have solved 2 to 1 questions daily basis. Okay, so that's why you will be also be consistent like me. Okay, so now let's meet into the next lesson, next very amazing lesson. But first of all, come on to my channel by the name of Rayyan, and you have completed my 4049k subscribers. So please complete 4050 subscribers, and there are all the videos. So please support me. Why you are not supporting me? Only 1 view, 2 view, 4 view, 37, 18, 12, 15. Please go and see these all the videos. Why the views are not coming? Okay, support me and share the videos and come on to the playlist, and please access this playlist and bookmark it. And total 120 videos we have completed so far. Okay, and total 123 views you have completed on this playlist. So please complete 500 views. So let's meet in the next video, amazing video. So now for today, goodbye.